Raya. Welcome to Karthang Monastery. Right now I am here in front of Karthang Monastery. The mountain range are so beautiful and so nice. As you can see, wow, very nice. And now we go to monastery. Wow, fresh leather lumbo. Di gomba di cha taming su ina rola. Ah, cha. Haran room che. Khaja meeting giro. Ah, cha. So this monastery was established by Nurbur Rinpoche, one of the main disciple of Shri, the great yogi of Drukpa Kagyu lineage, Tibet, and he established this monastery on very top of the mountain. I feel right now the icy cold, fresh wind. All the surroundings are so beautiful. From here you can also, from there you can also go to Tilburi, this Chakrasambara mountain, and you can make a circle. Now I'm going down to go to monastery way. Okay. So it's amazing. The scene here is amazing. Wow, the sky is blue. Amazing. Wow. The mountain. So this is Garja. Garja we call Garja. Khandriling. It means the place of darkness. Okay. So I'm just stepping down to the main temple here. This temple belongs to Drukpa Kagyu lineage of Kagyu school. Drukpa Kagyu lineage is one of the mainstream led by the 12 Gyalwang Drukpa and many other dignitaries or His Eminence Lamas, and most of these monasteries are established for the inner development of six yogas and Mahamudra practice to deepen the experience of these different types of yogas. They chose these remote areas and mountain areas and very sacred areas like this one. So this one is sacred place. Why? Because it's a abode of the deity Chakrasambhava. Chakrasambhava is one of the main deity of Kaju lineage. And from here you can see the very nice view of the Kelong city, Kelong town. You can say, as you can see down there, there's a Karthang village, and the Kelong town is there, surrounded by all these mountains. So this is the view from this mountain where the monastery is situated. It's very beautiful and serene, quiet. The front of the monastery is this one, and here's the entrance, and the rooms for monks, I think. Yes. So it's really on the top of the mountain, snow mountain. I feel the let's say the coldness of not so cold right now because it's April, I think, until August, October. It will be warm enough to live here when you are not used to stay with the cold weather. So it's very, very nice to be here and to experience these environment, blessing of the Chakra Samvara, blessing of the all great Drupa Kaju Lamas, the yogis, Nurburumbuche, Kungarumbuche, who Genkenze of the Drupa Kaju lineage, Aburumbuche, all have spent time here and meditated here, taught 6 yogas and Mahamudra practices to many lamas and tulkus and monks and nuns. So it's a very important place for us who follow the Drupa Kaju lineage. So if you have time, you can also visit Karthang Gomba and experience same what I am experiencing now, the blessing and all this. And it's not so far from Kelong town from there. It's around 30 minutes, maybe more than 30 minutes by taxi. And from Manali it takes maybe 2.5 hours. So it's quite near. Now it is easy to be here. Easy travel by road. It's a very good road constructed by Indian government. So you don't have any problem compared to the last many years. Previously, before 10 years, there was not so good road, but now it's a very good road, so you can travel anytime. April to August or October or maybe September is the best time to visit here. Okay, so I will stop here my explanation. Tashdile. I'm going to meet one Nama. Now I'm going to visit the temple. Entering the temple, the main temple here. The main temple here. And the main entrance. And as you can see, the main shrine here with the Buddha Shakyamuni, Chenrezi or Vajradhara, Dorje-chang, sorry, not Chenrezi, and Guru Padma Sambhava, and beautifully painted. And you can see all these nice paintings, 4 guardians of the Mount Meru, many other. The throne of Gyalwang Drukpa the 12th, and many offerings here. The this is the let's say the shrine of Lama Noburbuche. This is the stupa, shrine stupa of him. And there are many other Kagyu Lamas. So this monastery has around 200 years of history, and the Buddhist Kanjur texts, the halos, these are the classical canon teachings of Buddha, original teachings of Buddha, and the Guru is there. This is Guru Padmasambhava, the blissful or great joy, Guru Chambo. Vajradhara, Gyalwang Drukpa, Shakyashiri, Khyentse Rinpoche, Khyentse, we call Khyentse, and Jimmy Chura Rinpoche, Jekempo, the offerings for the Buddhas, Masambhava. Okay, this is the Kunga Rinpoche, let's say statue of Kunga Rinpoche, the first, and now we have the second one, the reincarnation. This is Drukpa Yongzing, I think 8th or 7th Drukpa Yongzing in Tibet. These are the statues of the great yogi Shakyashiri, Manisya, and Chakrasamvara statue, and Vajrayogini statue. This is Ningba Isarala. Vajravarahi, and Shakyashiri, one more. Very old, I think. So some other shrines, stupas. So this one is the main shrine stupa of Kunga Rinpoche, who used to live here previously. And this one is the Kudung Choten, the shrine stupa of Abu Rinpoche, the previous one, who lived here a long time, also in Manali. Chakrasambhara portrait on the walls of inside wall of prayer hall in Santapuri, the Kopakala mountain palace of Guru Padmasambhava. It's a very fine painted, I think with the fine colors, minerals, and there's and there's a portrait of the first Nobu Rinpoche, the founder of this monastery, in the portrait, and the This one is the also reincarnation. No problem, which it's not so clear. I hope you see something here. And here's the Aburumbuche, the portrait of Aburumbuche and his throne. So thrones are actually placed here to remember our great masters and pay homage to them. And the 12th deeds of Buddha's lifetime. Nishi do yomar ra la shamba, tarang ra.